In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a histogram chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. A histogram is perfect for showing how your data is distributed across ranges, making it easy to see patterns like clustering or spread at a glance. We'll walk through the process from inserting the chart to customizing the bins so the chart clearly communicates your message. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and heading to the slide where you want the histogram to appear. It can be an existing slide or a new one. Just make sure it has enough space for a chart. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click Chart. This opens the Insert Chart window where you'll see a list of chart types on the left. Choose Histogram from the list and click OK. PowerPoint will place a default histogram on your slide and open an Excel worksheet alongside it. This worksheet is where you'll supply the data that drives the chart. Replace the sample numbers with your own values. Histograms work best with a single column of numeric data. Think test scores, response times, or measurements. You can type directly or paste data in. As you enter values, you'll notice the chart updating automatically, which helps you confirm you're on the right track. When you're done entering data, close the Excel window. Your histogram on the slide will reflect the data you provided. Now it's time to fine-tune the look and readability. Click the chart to activate the Chart Design and Format tabs. You can edit the chart title to match your content, and if needed, update the axis labels so your audience knows exactly what the values represent. To control how your data is grouped, right-click the horizontal axis and choose Format Axis. In the Format Axis pane, you can set the number of bins or specify a bin width. Bins are the ranges that your values fall into, and adjusting them changes the level of detail. You can also define overflow and underflow bins to capture values above or below certain thresholds, which is helpful if you have outliers or a long tail. For a polished look, use the Chart Design tab to select a color palette and style that matches your presentation theme while keeping contrast high and labels legible. And that's how you insert a histogram chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.